Hey guys, this is Rahul, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain how you can create a one-page WordPress website with e-commerce system. In case if you want to sell your service, you can sell your service. This website have a big title with your own image, and if you're a photographer, you can add a photographer. In case if you are a student, you add your own image. This will help you to get job easily. This website is suitable for the students if you are working as a freelancer on udemy.com or freelancer.com, or you are a YouTuber. And there is the focus section, and you tell what are the talent you have. I'm having WordPress talent, SEO, Photoshop, and logo designing. These are my talents. And what are your talent? You write your talents, and there you add about some descriptions, and then you scroll down, and there is a service section. When you click on this, and there you'll be redirected to shop page, and there you can sell your service. Like if you are freelancer, you sell your whatever service you have. In case if you're working on udemy.com or freelancer.com, you add your own service, and by adding your own service you will get some commission. Use affiliate link. And let's go back to our website, and then scroll down, and there about me section, there you can add a big title about yourself and some more descriptions about yourself, and you tell what are the talents you have and how much percentage you have. I'm perfect in HTML CSS with 95%, and let's like this you can add complete sections. And next scroll down, I'm working for this company and I have created a great trust. So these are my teams. In case if you are a single, don't add the team. I have discussed how you can remove the team section. And next scroll down, and there you see a testimonial section, what your client says about you and your services. You can add here. And next scroll down, and in case if you want help, you just click on contact us, and you'll be redirecting to down section. And in case if you want to add some blocks to make your website come on the top of the Google, and say scroll down, and there is a about me section, and what are the pages you have. This is a beautiful footer section that I have created, and down you can add your own address, and there you add your own email ID, and there you add a phone number, and these are your Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and all the pages will be there. And there you add a footer, all it reserved by your website, and you can directly reach by clicking on this sections about service, team, testimonials, and say contact us, and you can create this beautiful website, and that too without codings. And costing for website: number 1, hosting for 6 months $52.56, second, domain 1 year $4.99, and total $60.54. We need to purchase a hosting account to host our website and a domain as a name of our website, like example.com. So we are choosing hostgator.com. It's because it's trusted. Once you are on the hostgator.com, click web hosting, and next scroll down, and you'll find 3 options: hatchling plan, baby plan, and the business plan. Hatchling plan is basically for hosting one single domain, and in case if you want to host multiple domain, you should go for baby plan. And if you want to host a number of domain with getting SSL and private IP address and a lot of extra feature, you should go for business plan. But these two is not recommended because you want to host only one plan. So skip this one, and let's click on hatchling plan. Don't think about this off, because I'm going to give you one small coupon. With that small coupon, you'll getting 60% on any of these hosting plans. So click on hatchling plan, sign up now. To reach this place directly, you can click on the link in the description box. With that link, if you'll make a purchase, I'll get a small commission which will help me to continue this profession and motivate me to create more beautiful tutorials. Now click on the enter domain, and there you type the domain which you want to buy. Like I'll go for rahuldesigner.com, and it's available, and I'm getting it for $15 per year, but I'll get a discount, don't worry now. Scroll down, and there you will find package. You can choose any of the package, but click on hatchling package and choose for 6 month, and you type username, and there you type security pin for 4 to 8 digit security pin that you require during any kind of help from the customer care. You should remember this, and write a billing address and fill this detail. And before that, remove this domain privacy, and there you'll find domain privacy option. Remove this option. In case what is domain privacy, to know more you need to visit this image. As like, for if you buy domain privacy, your domain and details will be in this format, that HostGator will show their own address and own email ID, own phone number. And in case if you doesn't buy that domain privacy, HostGator will reveal your address to anyone who wants to search and wants to know through domain tools. So I'll remove this and remove this option and remove this option. And already there one coupon is there. With that coupon you're getting $80. I'll say you remove this coupon and type host coupon 60 and click validate. Once you click validate, you are getting for $60 and move up, and there this thing again got added. You should remove this after moving up. Fill the above detail and read this and click checkout now. Once your payment get confirmed, you'll get a confirmation message like thank you for your order and payment completed. They are preparing your account for you. Wait for at least 10 minutes, then come back. Once your payment is done, you'll receive an email on your email ID from hostgator.com. In that email ID, you'll find these control panel link, username, domain, and the password, and name servers and the IP address. And next, you need to make a copy of username and go to browser. There you type your website name, whatever domain you bought. My domain is gomahamaya.com/cpanel. When you click enter, you'll be redirected to hostgator.com. You write a username and you write a password that you received here. This is your username and this is your password. Both the things you add there and click login. Once you are logged in, you need to scroll down, and down you'll find software. Inside software you need to click on quick installation, and there you need to click on WordPress. On this page, click on select domain and select the domain, and don't fill any directory here, leave it blank and click next. And once you click next, you will be redirected to this page. There you need to type the blog title. I'll write WordPress designer. Username, like you can go for any username. Now I'll go for cpanel. Make this thing secure and don't tell username and password to anyone. And let's write your first name, last name, and then fill the admin email ID. Make sure this email ID should be correct, because in case if you forget your password, you can re-get it by using the same email ID. And make sure you should mark this one automatically create a new database for the installation, and choose this create terms of service and click installation. And once the installation is completed, you'll get a message like this. In this message you have 3 important things. First, your installation domain where you have installed, and your username and your password. So open this in a new tab, and don't forget this password. Copy the password and your username. Go to this option and say whatever domain is there, type /wp admin, and you'll be redirected to this page. This is WordPress login, and there you type your username or you type the email ID that you gave while installation. My user ID is cpanel, and you type the password. You make a copy of this password and paste it here and click login. And now cancel this and say I don't need any help. Bingo, you have done a great work, and now you're welcome to WordPress login. This is the WordPress dashboard. And next, go to users, all users, scroll down, there you'll get a user option, click on that, edit, scroll down and click on manage account management, there new password is there, click on generate password and type your new password for your WordPress login. So I'll go for cpanel@Rahul. This is my password and you can make a note of this password and click update profile. Now we learn some basic details inside the WordPress dashboard, which tool is used for what. So you'll see in this place two options, visit home, like visit site option is there, click on that, you'll be redirected to your page, your own domain, which one you're using. So let's cancel this. And next is a home option. To reach this dashboard you need to click on home, and in case if any update is there, update option is there. For creating a post we'll be using this option. For posting medias and library will be there inside this option. For creating pages, page will be there inside this option. Or once you have created all your page will be there inside all page. If you want to create a new page, add new page. Whatever the comment is coming on a website will be there inside your comment option. These are some of the plugins, and let's click on plugins, install plugins, and now select all plugin and say deactivate whatever plugin is there. You doesn't need all these, say deactivate and apply. And next select all, you can choose one by one also, and say delete, apply, okay. And each one of the plugin is getting deleted one by one, and you'll see from this area all those plugin went off. In case if you want to add a new plugin, click on add new. This is the marketplace for the plugins. If you want to get some free plugins, you can use this marketplace. And next is the user. You can edit users, you can add users to your website, like you can add moderator, you can add editor, or you can add so many options are there. You can add even guests to your website through users option. Tools, in case if you want to import something, tool option is there. For setting, we'll look into setting now. Click on general. Once you are on this page, you'll find site titles. To know more best about this, click on visit sites, and there you'll see WordPress design, and another WordPress site is there, that is tagline. You can add your tagline, and don't make any changes to WordPress address and site address. Email address will be yours, email address, admin email address, and like don't make any changes. You can change the language from this area in case if you want, and choose a time and date format and click save change. And next click on writing. This is the type of category, post format, and don't make any changes in this area. Say update. If in case if you are making any changes to your WordPress website, you should always click on update to make change. You should always click on save changes to make that update happen. And next click on reading. Before coming to this page, we'll create two pages. Hover over page and say right click on that, and here you'll find sample page. Say move to trash and click add new, and there you write home and click publish, and create add new and write blog and say publish. Refresh this page again and you'll see this option got highlighted. Click on static page. Latest post is whatever blog you are making will be there on the front page. If you are choosing a static page, that means a front page will be fixed as a home page and the post page will be blog page. We separated both the pages, and don't make any changes in this area. Click save changes, scroll down and say discussion. In case if you want to make changes to a comment option, you can make from here. If you have made any changes, say update. You can update avatar also. You can update with your own pic. And next is the media option. Thumbnail size will be 150 cross 150, and this is the size of that media, whatever media you are generally uploading. In case if you are making changes, but I recommend not to make any changes in this, and say save changes and click on permalinks. This is the most important part of your website, because this will help your website to come up on the Google, because more better the link for this website particularly, I'll suggest you to use this post name, and it will come in this format. If you're using numeric, in this format will come, but these options are not recommended. Either you go for this option or you go for this option, but this option is best for this website, this option is best for blogging website. And say save changes and say click on dashboard. Now it's a time to install a very good theme that is known as Zerif theme, which is SEO friendly as well as mobile friendly. And one more best feature of this theme is that this theme one page WordPress theme. So go to appearance and there you type theme, click on that and click on add new. By default 2017 theme will be installed in your dashboard already, so nothing to worry. Click on add new and there in the search option you type Zerif. Once you type Zerif, you'll get this option Zerif Lite. Click on install and theme got installed and click on activate. And once your theme get activated, you'll get an option in this and they'll ask you this theme recommend 2 plugins, private form and the theme is the companion form. Click being installed. Click on this area and say install. Click apply and both your plugin got installed. Again go to plugins, install plugins and click there and say activate, and now both the plugins got activated. And now go to appearance and there customize is there. Click on that customize. This theme have live customizer options. So first we'll upload a logo for our website. Click on site identity. Here you can upload your logo. Select logo and say select files. Select your image, whatever logo you have, and say open. And now come to title and make sure title should be correct and SEO friendly. So for this logo is of my website, and so I'll be giving it name as Go Mahamaya logo, and whatever dimension is it of, I'll write 300 into 67. This is dimension of my logo. This helps me to come up on the Google. Like say copy this and paste in the alternate text. I'll be doing the same thing for all my images whatever I'm uploading for my website. Say select and say script cropping, and my logo got uploaded here. And in case if you want to change the site title, you can change this option. And just another WordPress right for tagline, I'll change it to WordPress comma UI, say comma developer and designer, and this will be my tagline. And next is the site icon. For the site icon, click on this, click on upload file, select the file, and this should be of square size 512 cross 512 pixel, and copy this and say paste, say select, and this got uploaded here. You can see this here. And once you are ready, basically this size will be of 512 cross 512 pixel, and this size will be around, you can choose around 200 cross 67 pixel. It's up to you. I'm taking 300 cross 67 pixel and say save, publish. And now go back and now say cancel here. Once you are inside this, click on this free simple contact form plugin, click on setting and click on option. And once you are on the option page, make sure contact submission receipt will be your email ID. In case if you want your contact submission email ID with respect to your domain. So go to your cpanel / type gomahamaya.com or whatever domain is there, type cpanel to get redirect to cpanel, and type your username and password and say login, and scroll down. Unless you find this email option, click on email accounts, right click and open, and now create your email ID like whatever. In case if you want your name rahul@gomahamaya.com, and in case if you want support@gomahamaya.com, or whatever it be, you can create from here. So I'll be creating support@gomahamaya.com, and type your password, whatever password is there, and again type your password. Both the passwords should be same, and instead of this choose unlimited and create account. Once you click on create account, you scroll down, and down you'll find support@gomahamaya.com. click on more, click web email, open in a new tab, or for this shortcut is your website name / webmail, enter, and you will be redirected to this page, webmail, and your email ID you write here, and your password, say login, say cancel, and say got it, and choose round cube as default, and say click on round cubes. Whatever email you'll get, you will be getting inside this email ID. So let's come and update this area. So support@gomahamaya.com, and say save changes, and now go back to your dashboard, and now hover over appearance and click on widgets. We will be editing one by one each and every widgets. Before that, I'll tell you what is use of widgets. When you edit this, it will get updated in this area, as like you can see about section is there. When you go to my own website, you can see inside of about section talented designer and the front end developer is there, and they see this is some text is there, you can write about yourself, and this is HTML CSS graphics, and you can write your own concept, what are the things you have. This is the talent that you can write. And next is the happy client is there, so we need to add all these. So first we'll edit about us section. For that, click on customize, scroll down, and there you find edit option. In case you want to change, I'll write about me, and next in the subtitles whatever you want to write you can, and in case if you don't want, you can delete subtitles also. And big left side title, this is a big left side title, that mine is talented designer and the front end developer. So go and write whatever you want for your website. And next, here is some description you should add about your website, and in the text option you add something related to your own skills, as like I have given some text for this on my website, so I'll go and paste that, say publish. In case if you don't want this about section, if you click at this part, that about section will be hidden, and if you remove this, the about section will come. Say publish and click go back. And next is a feature image that you need this happy client. So for this, I'll be going to dashboard and say dashboard, go to appearance, then go to widgets. In the about us section, click on there, and there you say clients, click on that and say about us section and say add widgets. One widgets got added, you write the link of your client, upload the image of your client. So I'll be writing themeisly.com, and there you upload the image. Click on upload file. Copy the title and say alternate text and say insert the posts and click on save. And we'll be again adding one more client. Similarly, like you can add 5, 4, depending upon your requirements. You can add number of your clients. Click one more. You can add how much ever client you want. I'm going to add 5 clients. Save, and hover over this and say visit site. Scroll down, and in this area you'll find your clients. You need that happy client. For the happy client, say customize and click on front page section, and there you'll find client area, and there you type happy clients and save and publish. Say refresh the page, and you can see happy client came here, and all your clients are there. And for editing this one, you need to go to front section, and there about us section is there, and click on feature number 1. Feature number 1 on my website HTML and CSS. So I'll be writing feature number 1. In case if you want, you can add a feature text just below as a subtitle and say paste, and add a percentage, how much percentage you know about HTML. Say I know 95%, and say save and publish. Similarly, you can edit for 2, 3 and 4. For 4-1 similar. In case if you don't want, just remove this thing and this thing, that will get disappear. And say save and publish and cancel this. And now we are ready with our about section. And now we'll be editing feature section. For go to your dashboard. Now I'm inside the dashboard, and there you hover over appearance, then click on widgets, and there you see focus section widgets, nothing is there, and scroll down this area and say Zerif focus widgets and focus section widgets, and click add, and again scroll down and add at least 3. I'll be adding 2 more. Say add and say add again. Now we have added 4 focus widgets, and you write the title like similar we have created in this section for our website web designing, and this is the text that is there, and this is our website logo, and whatever, if you click on this, you'll be redirected to WordPress.com, or if you have any separate page created for website designing, he will be redirected to website designing. So now we'll go back to our this page, and let's write title as website designing, and inside that text we should write and say text is this, and you add WordPress. You can add your own page link here in case if you want your client to be referred here. If you want to be referred to another website, you can add here also. Next, click on upload image, click upload, select files, and say select this file. The size of this file is 66 cross 62 pixel. Say open. And this image have some titles different than my require, so I'll be writing my website designing title, and next alternate text same, and say insert in post. We'll be doing same thing with another, with the rest of the focus widgets. And now click on save on each of the options. As like we have added 4 images, and now once you save this, refresh this options, and you can see this WordPress, SEO, Photoshop and the logo design came here, and you say customize. Scroll down and you'll find this feature option. To edit, click on front section and click on focus section. And for my website, this is like talented designer and developer. You can choose whatever you want, and in case if you don't want this subtitle, you can just erase it, it will be gone. And in case if you want to write something, just write and click save publish. And in case if you want to hide the focus section, just click on hide button and focus section will be gone. So I'll write the subtitle something and I'll click save and publish. Say cancel this, and when you scroll down you can see talented design and front-end developer, website designing, SEO, Photoshop, logo designing, and you can see about me sections that you have already created. And now we'll edit this theme section that we want it to be looks like this, similar to this. So for that we need to go to our dashboard. There you hover appearance and then widgets, and there's a theme section, widgets is there, this is empty now, and you scroll down and you find here Zerif theme member widgets. Scroll down this and say add to our theme section widget. We need 4 members. In case if you don't have team, if you want to showcase your only own profile, you can hide this theme section. I'll show you how you can hide. First we'll add some members. Click here and say add widgets. Click here and add one more widget. I'm adding 4 members, and it's like I have added 4 members. In this team member widgets you have name, position, what is the position in your company, and description about yourself, your Facebook link, Twitter link, Behance link, Dribble link, LinkedIn. And in case if you want that to be open in a new window, you can choose this, and in case if you want that to be open in the same window, then you can remove this. So I'll suggest you opening in a new window is more suggestible. So we'll start from here. We'll write name, and next you write the position, project manager, and next you write description about that project manager, what he knows and what his work, and whatever it be you can write here. In case if you want to add Facebook or LinkedIn, just write down that link, direct profile link. I'll be adding only hash. And now open a new window, say upload image, click on upload file, click select image, and select your team members, copy this and say paste, insert into post, and it's like we have created one team member. Similarly, click save, and similarly you can fill all these rest of the details. And now click save, 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 save. Once you are done, hover over WordPress and there visit site and scroll down, and there you find team sections and click on customize and click on front page section, and there's team sections, and you can edit title. In case if you don't want this team to be there, you click on hide our team sections and it will be hidden. You write your title and you change your subtitle, and I'll be writing our team because it's my team, it's not anyone's team. So I'll be removing these subtitles and say save changes. In case if you want to make this up and down, so hold this and hold this, drag down, and you can change the position of these members. Say save and publish. And now we'll create testimonial section. This is important because it's create a kind of trust by writing a small segments about your service, or you can call it as website reviews. Before giving project to anyone, the people they sees review, you can call it as reviews, and we want this testimonial to be look like this. So for that we need to go to our dashboard, and once you are inside your dashboard, hover over appearance and then click on widgets, and there you find testimonial section widgets. Click on that and this is empty, and scroll down, there you find Zerif testimonial widgets. Click on that and scroll down, and there you find this option, click add widgets. You have added one like this, add 3. You can add more than that, it's up to you, but I'm working with 3. We have created 3 options, and if it's like I'm writing reviews for your website, so my name will be there and my link will be there, and the author detail is nothing but where this author works, or he is the owner of which company, like that. And next is the text option. You add some description about guy who is reviewing your website, and next you upload his image. So we'll start from here, and let's add author name and add author link. For example, I'm adding facebook.com, and you can add author details like he's a CEO of XYZ company. And next you add some text about that author, and next upload image. Click on upload files, select, copy this and say paste and insert into post. You have inserted one testimonial, and similarly we'll be adding rest. And now click on save, and save, and we have uploaded this testimonial section. Hover over this and say visit site, scroll down, and there you'll find testimonial section, and say these are the words are there, whatever you have written. And next click on customize to edit this option, say customize front section, and there's a testimonial section, and you can edit this in case if you want. And I'll be adding subtitle to my testimonials like word of mouth, And in case if you want to hide testimonial section, use hide testimonial section and say save and publish and cancel this. And now we are going to edit a big title section, and our big title section will be like this. For that you need to create your own image, and if you are a photographer you can add a photographer image. It's depend on you what type of image you want to use in your background. And let's say go to our website, and there you click on customize and click on front section, and there's a big title. You can directly click edit here, but I'll be taking you through this options. Click on main content. You have two options, either you go for parallax effect or you go for that effect. Like if you want, I'll show you this one. Like this will be like this, one image in the background and one image in the front. Just change the images and change the text and you are ready to go. And say I'm not using this, so I'll remove this. Click save changes. I'm using a simple image because for so many people it will be a resume website. So go back, click on main content, and in case if you don't want this section, you first click on hide and that section will be hidden, and say I want this section, then the section will come. And next, this is a big title section, so here I'm going to write my name, and now type greater than sign br slash less than sign, and you type. And now if you are a freelancer, you write freelancer. I'm a designer and developer, so I'll be writing designer and developer. If you are a photographer, you write photographer. If you're working on somewhere on udemy.com, or if you are a YouTuber, you write YouTuber, and say save and publish. And this is a red color button that you want to customize, so this is my red color button. I'll say it's about me, and if you have a company, you write about us, and instead of focus, type about us. This is a shortcut for direct reaching this about section. And next you type for this one, contact us, and next here you type contact. You don't have to make much changes here. These are the shortcodes for direct reaching that particular sections. It will be more clear in case we'll create a menu. So click on publish and say cancel this, and now click on customize, and there you have advanced options. Click on background image. Background image is basically this is the image that we are going to replace. Say change, upload, and now click on select file, and there you select the background image, whatever background image you have. Copy this text and say paste, and say choose file, and now instead of default, say fill screen and choose the center position, and click on save and publish. Say cancel this, and it's like you can see this image is looking beautiful, and this is coming in this section also, and in the last also we are getting the same image. And now we have to edit these things, like same as gomahamaya.com, Rahul Sahu, and designer and developer. We should change the color and we should change the text type like this. So go back to our website, right click on that and say inspect, and there you find h1 classes, because it's like when you hover over this part is getting selected, hover over the part and that will be getting selected. So I know this class belongs to this area, so I want to edit intro text. For that we need to edit that style, and intro text is this is the style, and instead of text transformation as to upper class, so we'll remove this to none. We just copy everything from here, just copy whole thing from here till this part, say Control C and click on customize, and there you find additional CSS. Enter there and paste this code, and now text transformation is uppercase. All text, whatever text you are writing is converting to uppercase. So remove this and type none, as is like the way you wrote at the time is like it's coming similar. Or in case if you want these text to be this side, so instead of center, type justify. This thing will be coming one side. If you like this, you say publish, or you can write back to center. And I'll be changing color from white to the color which is suitable for my background. And now we'll change the color of this to blue color. If you want to add this as a yellow or orange, type the color code for that color, whatever color you love. Let's see, color code for yellow. And CSS, you'll get first option, and there you can see a lot of color option. You just copy this and say paste there, and you're ready to go. And I'll be writing here blue color code and say paste. Now it's become blue, and say save and publish, and say cancel this. Now we are ready to same like our previous website. And now our big title section is completed. And now we are going to create a beautiful footer section in our website, that about me. Your image will be here, and you add some text about yourself and latest news. These are the blogs pages that we'll be creating later on. And next is hire me. When you click on hire me, this is your detail why they should hire you. When you click over this, you'll be redirected to contact page directly. For that, go to your website dashboard, and there you'll find appearance, and there you click on widgets, scroll down, and there you have footer 1, footer 2 and footer 3. All three options are blank. Before that, we need to install one beautiful plugins, hover over plugins and say add new, open a new tab. In search option, type Black Studio. You'll get first option, Black Studio by Teeny MC Widgets. Install now and say activate. And now once it get activated, go back to your widgets option and refresh this page. You will find this Black Widget Studio got added. This is a visual editor, and say add to footer 1 and say add. What is the use of this? That you can create a beautiful widgets without using any codes. You can add images and everything you can do without codings. Let's type in the title about me, and here you click and add some text. Add some text here, and where you want to add your image, you click there. I want to add my image in this area. I'll click add media and I'll say upload image. Select the file. This is my image. I'll say open and copy this and paste in the alternate text and say insert. Before that, you can choose you want to use full size or thumb size. If your image is too big, go for thumb. If your image is small, you can go for full size, and you can choose from here how do you want this image to be, in right, left, center or none. So let's choose left and say insert. As it like you can see this image got added here, and that too without codings, and say save. And now close this and take a preview of this how it is looking. Scroll down and there you can see this is like this image is too big, so we should make it small so that it can get adjusted and make it more beautiful. So there you click again and click on that image and say edit option, and instead of full size say thumbnail, and say update and click on save, and then click close. Refresh the page again, and now you can see it's looking beautiful, but it should come in an equal way. So we'll again open this and say select this and choose this option, say save and say refresh. It's like coming in equal way. And next for second, say close. For second foot option, we are going to add blogs. So choose this option, recent posts, and drag there, or type the latest news or latest blog, and number of posts should be 5, and say save. And next for the third one, we are going to add again this widgets option, visual editor, and say footer 3 and say add widgets, and type there hire me, and there you type some text why they should hire you, and select all the text and say should be in this format. And next you type hire me in the center and type hire me, and select this and make it bold, and click on this toggle bar and you'll get a color option. Select the text color. Let me go for a yellow one. It will come in a yellow color, and let's select this and say I want it to be heading 5, or you can go for heading 3. And one more, say insert link, and type there your contact address, like it will be redirecting to contact page, your website name .com/contact, and make sure you should write this thing in a proper way, or else it will give you error. #contact me, and say enter and say save and say close. And now refresh the page, scroll down, and you see it's looking quite beautiful. And we need to create a blog now. And now we are going to create blog or the latest news for your website like this. For that, go to your website, and there on that click on dashboard, and there you click on posts, all posts, and click on add new, and type there as, and here you write the post name. I'll be writing Zerif as your friendly theme. About this theme I'm going to write some text, and now you write some text. You click anywhere where you want to add images, as like if you want to add insert image between these two, you click between here, and if you want to insert an image here, you insert here. So click add media, say upload, say select file, this image, and say insert in the post, as like you have inserted the image there, and write like this, and there you create a category. Say this is related to theme. When you enter, it will be added to this option. You can create a number of category and you can add them in the category. Let's create tags, theme, SEO, website, etc, etc. These are the tags. You can create more tags, and let's set feature image, upload, and say Zerif lite blog. This is my image. Copy the text and say paste an alternate text and set feature image. And now again you write some text here. I have added some text, and again if you want you can add one image here, and again you write some text and you are ready to go. You can use these options to make these blog beautiful. I'll go and select B as capital, bold, select this and say bold and say italic, and even if you want you can add some color and say publish. Now click on preview changes. As it like whatever you wrote is here with a tags. These are the tags: SEO, theme, website. These becomes a link with all tags. When they click on SEO, all the things related to SEO will be on one page. If they click on theme, if it is related theme, all the tags will come on the WordPress. Similarly for category also it works the same. And this is the comment option. Your visitor can make a comment on your website. So similarly like this, we'll create 3 more blocks. For that, click on add new, say something SEO, or write something here. Next, add media, upload file, and let's say I'll add this download image. Say insert in post and say this thing I want it to be in the center, not medium. Say full size, say update. Now again you say enter and add some more text, and this image will be in the center, and say publish. Before that you add some tags and create one category. This category will be SEO. Similarly for tags, you can create tags and set feature image. For SEO I have, and choose this SEO image and say open, say set feature image and click publish. Similarly create one more, write some title and say some text, and then set feature image, click upload, say WordPress update, select feature image and make it WordPress update and say publish. Let's check out all your posts. Go to all posts, and there you have 4 posts, and edit this one, hello world, update with a feature image, website customization, and click on update. Now we'll check out our website. You are getting long things like this, and this is making it irregular and making it scrap. So open all the links again and say edit post, say edit post, say edit post. And now in this, click on screen option, click on excerpt. Now close this, and what is excerpt? Instead of writing a huge description below a post, we give a small description to describe about the post so that people can understand after reading from outside of the post. So let's write WordPress update and say update. For this one also we'll be doing the same thing. Say accept. An option is coming. Say update. Say accept and say update. Say update and go and visit our website again. And now it's looking beautiful. A small excerpt we have added for our website, and title is there. You can add anything to excerpt, and this is a feature image. And now we are going to edit our footer like this. Instead of this title, we are going to write all right reserved by gomahamaya.com or by your website name. We'll be replacing these. So for that, click on customize and click on footer option and click on footer social media, and there you add your footer, your social media page. If you have related to your website, just add the link. I'll be adding only hash to highlight that. You must be adding full website link. Now you can see all these things got highlighted. Say publish, and next go back and footer content and footer copyright is there. We'll edit this footer copyright in the last. Before that, we'll edit this address option, and you write your address. And next, in case if you want to edit this image, you can remove or change the image. And if you remember, we have created one email ID related to support@gomahamaya.com. So you have created your own email ID, add there, and say add your phone number there if you have any. And you scroll up and say save and publish. Say cancel this. Scroll down and you will see Zerif Lite development theme easily is there. Right click on this, right click and say inspect, and scroll down. You will find this option. When you hover over these classes, that will show you which class is this, and you'll find a Zerif class copyright box is that. So I'll click here and I'll copy the class name, copy, and now go to your dashboard. Inside dashboard, you click on customize and scroll down, and there you find additional CSS. Give an enter and type dot that class name, and then you give to curly bracket, open that and close, and say one more enter there, and you type display, and then you type colon, and then give a space and say none, then type semicolon and click on save and publish, and scroll down. You'll see that option gone, and now go back and you'll see footer option. Click on footer content, and there you'll find footer copyright. There you type all right reserved by, then give greater than sign and less than sign, and inside that you type small a space href, give equals to, open and close inverted commas, and inside that you type http colon and slash, and there you type your website URL www.gomahamaya.com, Next, move to the end and type your website name. Like for mine is Go Mahamaya, so I'm writing one word, Go Mahamaya, and type open bracket, close bracket, and inside there you type slash, and then between that type a. So this complete code will give you this thing, all copyright reserved by Go Mahamaya, and when you click on this it will be redirected to this.com, and say save and publish. Cancel this and visit your site, scroll down, and you can see all right reserved by gomahamaya.com. As like you click and you're getting redirected to gomahamaya.com or whatever website you want to link. And now we are going to create a shop in case if you want to sell your service. The people who want to sell the service, for them we'll be creating a shop. For that, log into your dashboard, and there you hover a plugin and then click on add new, and there you type WooCommerce, and you'll get first option, and that has 1+ million active install, and say install and say activate. This is not for the student. In case if you want to sell the service, then only you should activate and go through this part. And next, click on let's go, scroll down, and you need all these pages. So I need these pages. Click continue and choose where is your store based location. I'll say New York, US, United States. Which currency will your store uses? I'll be using dollar. In case if you are from any country, you just type the name of that country and your currency will be here. Dollar is selected, and in case if you're and now if you want to charge a sell tax, then click yes, I want to charge a sell tax, and your product will be inclusive of the tax or the exclusive of the tax. You can even change the rate, how much percentage you want to charge from your client. You can change the rate from the setting, but as for now I'll be simply going through the top version. If you want to enter your product inclusive of the tax, then there will not be any taxes addition in your bill during checkout process. And if you write I'll go for apply a price exclusive of the tax, then there will be a tax at the checkout process. So I'll be using inclusive of the tax and click continue, and next scroll down, and there you choose weight and dimension. In this tutorial we are going to cover only service part, so this weight and dimension is not required. In case if you want to sell some physical good, you need these two. So click on continue, choose your dimension and click weight, and click choose weight unit and choose dimension unit, and click continue and choose PayPal option. Click continue and click on create first product.
Dismiss this, and cancel all these. Cancel.
And now you are ready to create a product which that you can sell through a website. In this tutorial I'll be basically discussing only two type of product. First is the simple virtual product, and second is the affiliate link. If you are working on any company like freelancer.com or udemy.com or any website, there you add your own affiliate link, and for your own service itself you are getting some small income. For affiliate you need to check with your own company. And let's write and say if you have photo designing service or whatever it be, you just add a category and say photo, and there down you add tags, photo editing, photo texture, or etc. You can add so many tags. This is basically helps and create a link inside your own website. And next click on set feature image. Basically your image size should be 300x300, and I'll go for click on upload and click select file, and I'll choose this image and I'll click open. You can choose your own image and select this and say paste, and insert into post. This will be your product image. I don't have that Photoshop designing service, so I'll be using a simple image, and here you write some service description. I'll add some service description. You can edit all these. In case if you want, you can make it bold and you can make it color, and say now this is a product dilemma box, and there you choose simple product and say this is virtual. When you click on virtual, there will not be any shipping and there will not be any shipping charges. So click on virtual and write your price. Let's me take as $60, and I'll be giving you at discount price of $50. Regular price is $60 and the sale price is $50. And in case if you want to make this sale through a particular duration, you click here and choose from today till 30th. I'll be giving this sale, and afterwards automatically the sale will get over and regular price will become 60. Click on tax status and you say whole product is taxable including shipping, or only shipping is taxable, or none is taxable. So I'm choosing none because my price is inclusive of the tax. And now for tax classes, in case there are 3 tax classes for each, you can create tax classes, more tax classes in case if you have separate product and you want to charge extra on that. And next is the tax classes. In case if you want to charge a separate tax on this price, then you have to create separate tax classes and you can apply from here. So I'll be choosing standard tax classes. And inventory, click on inventory and there you type SKU number. In case if you have large shop, you have to define each product with a SKU number so that you can easily find out. And now we are providing only services, so we don't have to mesh a lot with SKU number, so I'll be writing 1. And next is the manage stock. This thing you doesn't need because this is basically for physical product. You need to stock management, you need to manage stocks and allow back order. In case if you don't have product and you want to notify customer can still purchase without letting them know, etc are there in the allows back order. So this is not required for you, so remove this and say in stock always. And in case if you want to sell only one product at a time, choose this option. Click on link product and there you have upsells and cross sales. Upsells are basically the product. Upsells are the recommendation on your pages which is better than this product, and cross sales is basically for the product which is better than this product, and this will show on your cart page and this will be shown on your pages on which you are viewing that product. I'll be creating these two in next product. Next, create attributes. You doesn't need attributes because it's all about sizes, color, and you don't have that. In case if you want to go deep inside that, you need to refer WooCommerce documentation, or you can ask even help from me. I'll help you definitely. And click advanced. In case if you have any purchase node, you can write here, and even you can enable reviews and say publish and say preview change. As like you can see, this is a photo editing and this is of 300 cross 300 image. Here you got title and here you are getting a discount of $10. This is your text that you have added, and this is SKU number, categories photo, and tag. Some of the tags you have added will be here. These two things act as a link. In case if I click on photo, the service related to photo will come on one page, and when you scroll down there's an option for reviewing, and your customer can review the product and say submit. And now we'll go back and create one more product which is affiliate product. Click on add new, and there you type my course, and there you add book or course or whatever it be. Category if you have, right, Udemy or freelancer or whatever etc you want to book. Tags, whatever you want to add, you can add in your tags, and say set feature image. click on upload and select file, and I have only one image with 300 cross 300 of pizza. I'll upload this here and select this, copy and say paste and say set feature image, and now you have set a feature image of your product. Make sure you should upload your proper image. I'm uploading because I don't have that Udemy book freelancer or any product image, so I'll be adding only this one. And now add some text, short description about the product, add their short description, and there you click on this and say external, add the affiliate product, and here you add affiliate product link from Udemy. For that you'll be getting, or Udemy or freelancer or whatever it be, you'll getting affiliate income for your own products. And next, by product, which text you want to add. Instead of that cart option you saw, add to cart, instead of cart option, click to buy, I'll write click to buy. Or regular price, what is the regular price? I'll say $100 and I'll be giving you at $80, and this is a sell. You can choose a duration from here, and tax and class is not required because it's action or the affiliate product. Even inventory is not required because these are the affiliate product, but you can write SKU number, as like you go to any website, each product will be having a SKU number. And next, click on link product. You can add upsells and the cross sales, like we have created earlier product related to photos designing, so I'll be writing photo designing. They will be searching. If you have a large number of store, you will get more product here, so choose a product of better quality in case if you want to increase sale. And add large number of product, you can add more than 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's up to you. And this product will be shown once they see this product, and and one more product will be adding, like same product I have only one product, so I'll be adding that product itself, and this product will be shown on cart page, and this product is better quality than this one. And next, click on attribute. You doesn't need attributes, and advanced you doesn't need this, and say publish. And let's preview the changes, and there's no option to click, so we'll go back and check what is the problem there. Okay, we haven't added product URL. Let's add product URL. I'll be adding any product URL. I'll copy this and say this is the product, and say update, and again refresh this. When you refresh, you'll get an option to click to buy. When they click, they'll be redirecting to that product or whatever product you want. And next, go back to your dashboard. There you hover over WooCommerce, click on setting, and there you scroll down. You don't have to make any changes here. Save change if you make. And product is there. These are the product dimension. Reviews are there. In case if you want to add some extra tax classes, you have the option to create extra tax classes from here. And these are the tax classes. Click on standard rate, as like for USA, New York, postal code you add, city you add, and the rate is this 4%. Sell tax will be adding on each product. You can even import or the export CSV file, and if you want to add some more state location, insert row, and you are ready to go. Add more and more, how much ever you want. And let's say go back, you can create extra tax classes in case if you want to change the display price in the store inclusive of the tax or the exclusive of the tax. From here you have options, and once you are done, click save changes. You don't need shipping because you are not going to sell a physical good. In case if you want to sell a physical good, I'll tell you to refer a documentation from WooCommerce. And next is the checkout. Scroll down, you can create coupons, and these are the pages. If you want, you can create your own terms and condition page. Create page. From here, go to pages, add new pages, terms and condition, write your terms and condition, and your page will be here. You add it to this page, and don't make any changes to this link. and next click on PayPal, and next is a PayPal email. You need to add a PayPal email ID so that they can directly transfer the money to your account, and say enable standard PayPal and say save, and now click on visit store. And now we are done with two product. You can add unlimited number of product. In case if you have any doubt, if you have any question, please be sure to comment. I'll help you. And now we are going to create a beautiful menu icon like this. As when you click on the home page, you return to gomahamaya.com. When you click on about on section, and you'll be reaching to this about on section. When you click on service, you should reach this service option. When you click on shop, you'll be redirected to shop option. And now you can see these are the shop, because shop page is cannot be accommodated in the first page. So, and next for the team section, this team section will be on the front page as like team. And next when you click on testimonial, you will be redirected to testimonial section. I have separated the latest news with not by linking this one. I have created a separate page because I want you to make blogs, a lot of blogs, because the more you create blogs, the more your website will be coming on the top. This is the reason why some people's website is on the top. And next is a cart, and next is contact us. This is the contact us option is there, and you can create within same page. So we'll be creating similar menu like this. So go to your WordPress dashboard, and there you hover over appearance, and there you click on menu. When you'll reach on menu page, you'll find some menu already there. Say click on this and say remove, and do the same thing with rest of the pages. And now click on this part, main menu, and type their main menu bar or main menu, whatever name you want to give, and say create menu. And now we have created a menu. We'll move to this section, and there we'll choose home and blog and shop, and say add to menu. And now we'll hold and drag and move up and release. Like similarly, you can edit this positions, and click on save menu. And next we'll be creating custom menu. Click on customs menu, and there before this you open a website, new tab, and copy your website link, and come back here, remove that one, and say paste, and there you type hash contact, and just below that you type contact us or contact, and click on add to menu, and again say remove that and say paste, and type hash focus, and just below that you type service, and click on add to menu, and again you remove that and paste your website link, and type hash, and type about us, and below that you type about us, and click on add to menu. And next again remove that and type your website link, and say hash team, and again on the link text you type team, and click on add to menu, and again add a website link, and say hash, say testimonials, and make sure you should write S and don't make any mistakes there, and say testimonials, and click on add to menu. And once you are done, you need to arrange this. Like I'll take about a section on the top, and service section just below that, and take contact section just in the last, and take blog section below testimonials, and take shop section below shop, and click on save menu, and hover over this and say visit website, and like you can see your website is working. Like when you click on home, you'll be redirected to your home website or whatever, gomahamaya.com or whatever your website name, and say about us, you'll be redirecting to about us section. When you click on service, be redirecting to service section, and when you click on team, you'll be redirecting to the team section, and when you click on testimonials, you'll be redirecting to your testimonial section, and when you click on blog, you will be redirecting to a new page. I have separated the blog from the main page, because I want you to create blogs, because this is a very good for your website. And in case if you want this blog to link, this menu bar to link with this blog, latest news, then you need to again go to menu section and say remove this blog, remove, and there you'll click on latest links and remove this and paste your website link and say hash and type latest news, and below that you type blog and click on add to menu. Drag this and leave just above the shop section and click save menu, and again refresh your website. When you click on blog now, you will be redirecting to a latest section. Like again click there, latest sections. When you click on contact, be redirecting to your contact section. When you click on shop, you'll be redirecting to the shop section. You cannot include shop section to the front section, because here you sell your service and service should be in another area. And now we are going to edit this section. For that, click on customize, and there you click on front section, and there you click on ribbon section, and next you click on bottom button ribbon, and there you change the text and scroll down. You see you check out all our services, and in this place I'm going to add my shop, because these are my services. In case if you're not creating a shop section, you should link the service section, and there instead of this button link I'll say /shop, or you can write hash focus for getting this service section directly connected. And click on save and publish and go back. Now click on right ribbon section and type your text, get a free quotes or need help, and instead of get in touch, type contact us, and there you remove this option and type hash contact and say save and publish and say cancel this. And when you scroll down, you can see this is your big title section, and there you have focus section, and there you have check out all your services, and this is your about section, and this is your happy clients, and this is your team section, and this is your testimonial section, and this is your contact us section. When you click on contact us, you'll be directing reaching to this section, and this is your latest news, and this is the beautiful about me section and hire me section, and here will be your detail, and this is your email ID, and here this will be your phone number, and these are your Facebook addresses. And now we are going to create a beautiful WordPress login section. Instead of using this boring one, we can replace this by this. Here will be your logo, and there you can add a beautiful image of your website. So log into your website first, and there you go to plugins, add new, and there you type easy login styler, and there you'll get first option. This is created by PHP Bits Creative Studio. This is a very good and easy WordPress login changer. Say click on install and say click on activate, and scroll down there, and there you find easy login styler, and click on setting, and there you have option to upload your logo. Your logo should be of square size. Now click on select file and choose a file. Make sure your logo should be of square size. This size I'm using is 512 x 512 pixel, and click on open, and you copy this text and say paste in the alternate text and say use as a logo. And now select a background image, click on select file and click on upload file and select these files. Scroll down, and there you choose your WordPress login image, and make sure this image should be of a square size. I'm using 500 x 500 pixel, and say open and say use as a background image, and in case if you want to add some custom login CSS, you can add, but I don't need now, so I'll be clicking on save changes and click log out, and now you see you got a beautiful WordPress login.